Welcome. If you want to change your profile picture in PUBG New State, at first you have to tap on the left upper corner on your profile picture. Just tap once, and then we have to go for sure right here for the profile, and then just tap on the settings icon in our profile picture. So as you can see in this place, we can change the profile picture. Honestly, I'm going to pick, for example, this one. Click use to confirm. In this place, you can also change the portrait frame. As you can see, a few of them are not available, but I'm going to get this one. At the bottom, we can also pick the title. In my case, all of them are locked, so I cannot pick any of them. The same for the profile nameplate, the effect, says on badge, and the flag we can change. So I'm going to pick, for example, let's go for, I don't know, maybe this one. This looks cool. So I'm going to click yes, confirm, and as you can see, we get also the notification that we can change flag only after the 48 hours. And then tap on the X, and as you can see, that's how you can change and basically customize your profile picture and profile stuff. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.